So the next command we're going to use the mirror command. You can do this in a sketch or after we extrude the object. So I'm going to show both ways. First thing we're going to do is mirror in a sketch. So we'll click sketch. We'll click the front plane, hit N for normal 2. Now, before we draw this, we need to set a construction line, our center line. So we're going to click the line tool, L for line, click up here. Now, before we draw this, and we can change this after the fact, we want to change this to a construction line. This allows us to create reference lines, lines that are not going to be a part of our sketch, but are just going to be references. So up here, my cursor is blinking. It says construction line. It looks like a line and then a dotted line and 2 arrows going back and forth. I click that. I'm going to click, drag this down. I'll make this 4 inches. Doesn't really necessarily matter for this example. So this is what the construction line looks like. It's dashed. Now you can change this. So say, for example, I want to change this back. I can click the line and click the construction line again, and it will convert that back. So you could always draw the line first, click the construction button or Q on your keyboard and change that back. What I want to do is use the line tool again. Just draw. Make sure you're in regular line. Okay, so you're going to draw. Doesn't really matter here. Some shape you can draw a simple. I'm just going to draw a random shape here. Okay, you don't need to dimension this. All right, but when I show you, maybe I want to mirror this exact thing, this exact sketch here that's on the right side to this side here. So what I can do is up on the tool icon, there's an icon that says mirror. It looks like a shape and then a dotted line and then mirrored shape on the other side. It does exactly that. It mirrors whatever you drew. So you can click that and it's going to ask you to select the mirror line. So this is basically asking you to pick the center. Where do you want to mirror from? So I click the center for this line here, the construction line. Then a blue box is going to come up and say select the entities to be mirrored. So you're going to select, you can either click line by line, or you can click and select everything all at once. Okay. Once I have what I want to be mirrored, I accept the sketch, and that has been mirrored. So now from here I can go back, extrude, and extrude this to whatever the depth is I want to extrude it to. So maybe I want to extrude this out to 1 inch.